A Jamaican man with an extensive criminal record has been arrested. New York, United States. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Subscribe, like, and share to the channel.
Rasta
yeah,
transportation,
build up the
Rasta
Rastaman
transportation
fan.
to the world. I love you, Deep Roots TV. Yeah, man, see real roots, them, the man, the real roots.
Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in to the Rastaman channel. Yeah, Deep Roots TV. I'm Rastafari soldier. Yeah, build up the Rastaman channel by hitting that red subscribe button. But a Jamaican man with an extensive criminal background has been arrested in New York. Ladies and gentlemen, the United States, New York, United States Immigration Custom Enforcement ICE agent says that an arrest of 45-year-old Jamaican man with an extensive criminal history spanning over 20 years has been arrested. I said that the man's numerous aggravated felony included attempted murder, robbery, weapon violation during criminal violation, and crime of criminal sales of controlled substance. He was arrested outside of his residence in Queens, New York, without incident. I said that Jamaican man, who they did not name, will remain in custody pending his deportation proceedings. Rather than taking advantage of the opportunity afforded to him to live in the United States and pursue everything this country has to offer, this individual chose to embrace a life of crime, said Enforcement and Removal Operation New York City Field Officer Director Kenneth Gineno. His repeated felonious criminal activity provide and prove that he is a threat to the community. So leaving him on the street would compromise the safety of all New Yorkers. Our office should be commended from their continuing dedication to remove dangerous criminals from our neighborhood. I said that Jamaican man entered the United States in New York as a lawful permanent resident on April 6, 1993. But on November 19, 1998, the Queens County Supreme Court convicted him of selling a controlled substance in the third degree and sentenced him to 6 years in prison. On March 12, 1999, I said that Jamaican was convicted by Queen County Supreme Court of attempted murder and robbery in the first degree, sentenced him to 12 years and 6 years of imprisonment, respectively. On September 20, 1999, he was also convicted by Nassau County Court in Long Island for the offense of robbery in the second degree and sentenced him to 15 years of imprisonment. On November 10, 2022, the U.S. District Court of Eastern District of New York convicted him of brandishing a firearm during a crime of violence and sentenced him to time served. I said that Jamaican man also has conviction in Pennsylvania in retail theft in 1997 and providing false identification to law enforcement, drug possession in 2012. This ya mania in there foreign, and it seems like him just did one live in a jail, in a prison. You forward in a 1993, how you get criminal felony to the third degree, possession, intent to distribution. It's probably the white lady. And then you get charged again for first degree quanging, murder. And you come out of jail again. And you get charged again for robbery. And now again you get ketchup again. It's impossible to save your yard. It's impossible. Them have to send you back to the Caribbean jail. Jamaica, Trenchtown Rock for your yacht. You are guarantee hard life. Imagine, even in a prison, you're going to have a better life than when you reach yard. Well, I hope you wasn't that fraud where All of this crime that you was doing, I hope you was sending a little thing back to yard. And you don't make it, but you shan't catch you. You wretch you. You never know your life hard. Squander your money, never send it back a yard. You are guarantee. So ladies and gentlemen, sometimes I really have to put a little twist on this because some boy get them bullseye, them get them chance in a life and them twisted, them missed it, them just mess up everything. Some people would be begging a chance if you go to the United States to make some real money because every other money seems to be fake. And this ya boy seems like him living in a crime, a life of crime, straight. Imagine them not even make me know the boy name so me can put him on blast because he's a total ass. 1993, this 45-year-old man forward a foreign. That means the boy reached the young and he has an extensive criminal history spanning for 20 years. Then that means as him drop on the spot, the boy make the place hot. 98 him start. He see him never wait for more than 5 years. Convicted of selling a controlled substance third degree. That means him a push dope on foreign street. March 99. I said the boy get caught up with attempted murder and robbery. First degree him to 12 years. September 99 again him get convicted. Me not know how this boy I get caught. Or he must do the quanging one place and get caught the other place. You are going to see him come back in at 2022. The boy come ban this firearm during a crime of violence and him get time served. Me don't know if a 9 life him have or the criminal system is there for the criminals. Subscribe, like, and share and leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. Jamaicans get them chance, but them love to dash it where and then forward a yard and go on like the world was against them when are them against themselves. More life, more joy. Leave your comment on this if you know nobody like that. That is a total phone. Better know the golden world, the good and good will follow. You can't plan corner one piece.
They mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. They mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep root flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them will them shut and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them will them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs for that say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Boy, fire king, Rastafari soldier and fire king. Yeah. Balalang bang,
Pick up TV. Respect. Make sure to tune in. You hear? Every time.